Thank you for joining us today. In this quick tutorial video, we'll highlight the features of our dynamic phase noise calculator. Let's begin. For reference, you can either enter your own custom data or load some Quantic Wenzel data to see one of our many high-performing devices. Select a Quantic Wenzel device from the drop-down list, press Load Data, then press Compute to see the results. You can also enter your own data. Enter your oscillator's frequency in megahertz and the G sensitivity in parts per billion. Now enter your static phase noise and offset frequency data. You can add and delete rows as required. Now, move on to the random vibration profile section. Enter your offset frequencies and their corresponding ASD values. The vibration profile frequencies must be within the range of your static phase noise. By default, the calculator will show tabled results for all offset frequencies in the static phase noise and random vibration profile. To display other offset frequencies in the results, enter them here as comma-separated values. If you would like to include vibration dampening, tick the dampening checkbox, your natural frequency and dampening factor values. You can use the Import, Export, and Print buttons. Export allows you to export the data you entered as a JSON file. Import allows you to import a file previously created by exporting. Once you have entered all your parameters, press the Compute button to see the results. The result graph. You can customize the view of the graph by using various tools. Below and to the right of the graph. You can also hide or show lines by pressing the line name in the legend. You can then save the graph in its current state by pressing Save Plot. The results table. You can view the summarized phase noise table and the vibration profile table. Navigate between the tables by pressing on the table name. These tables can be saved as an Excel spreadsheet or CSV file by pressing Save Table. When using Quantic Wenzel data, you will also see a typical phase noise plot. Click it to open a larger image. A product information section will appear below the tables. This section gives information about the selected product and allows you to add it to your current quote request. For more information, you can also hover over anything on the page. We hope this tool will assist you in your frequency control and timing applications. If you have any additional questions or would like to discuss your application, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. We're here to help.